Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your hourly rate on Upwork. This is a straightforward process that lets you adjust your pricing as you gain more experience or shift your service offerings. First, open your web browser and head over to Upwork.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and sign in with your credentials to access your account. This will take you to your Upwork dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your freelancing profile. Now look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select your profile. This action will direct you to your full profile page where all your professional information is displayed, including your work history, portfolio, and rate details. On your profile page, look for your hourly rates section. You'll see your current rate listed there. Right beside it, there's an edit button. Click on that edit button to begin making changes to your pricing. This button is your gateway to updating any rate-related information on your profile. After clicking Edit, navigate to the Hourly Rate section. You'll notice a text field right beside it where your current rate is displayed. Click directly into that text field and then enter your new hourly rate. Make sure to consider your experience level, the market demand for your skills, and what competitors in your field are charging before settling on a new number. This ensures you're positioning yourself competitively while valuing your work appropriately. Once you've typed in your new hourly rate, look for the Save button and click it. This finalizes your changes and updates your profile immediately. Your new rate will now be visible to potential clients browsing your profile or considering you for projects. And that's it. You've successfully updated your hourly rate on Upwork, making your profile reflect your current value in the marketplace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.